Here's a quick guide to getting the most out of this tool. There's a lot of content creators, a lot bigger than this channel, that are telling you a couple of things about this tool. Frankly, a lot of them are just that, they're content creators. A lot of the complaints you hear about this tool is what actually makes it great. First off, now in this case it's actually the opposite. I prefer tools with buttons, switches, physical things that you can push. But in this case, when you're reaching in tight areas, Milwaukee's especially guilty of this. Their impact drivers and things like that have their buttons here. And if you grab this left-handed, sometimes you accidentally push your buttons in and out and you get ready to drive something and you can't because your hand here has been pushing against that switch. So in this case, the digital buttons are appreciated. Next up is the lights on the back. They're illuminated when you're reaching to the back of that cabinet to do an awkward drive. One, you don't have to worry about the buttons, we already talked about that, but two, you can quickly identify whether you're in drive or reverse. If you hold that button down long enough, this turns into lockout mode, and you can store this in your tool bag. You don't have to worry about anything getting bumped, and it stays off. Now for the big one. If you're trying to hold this tool like this still, consider choking up here like this, squeezing the trigger with your middle finger, and you've got full control with your thumb on all of the selection switches up here. Then of course this thing is really easy to switch out the heads on it. Got some pretty awesome selections. And of course what sets this apart from all the other tools is the magnet right there. Of course that happened. There we go, something more realistic. Fantastic tool. There's your quick start guide to getting the most out of this tool. Thanks for watching. Sub for more.